Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we are doing a jewelry jar unboxing. I haven't got one of these in a long time. Everything you see is going to be for sale and my email will be in the description below and a sold list will also be in the comments. So let's go ahead and get into it. First we have some acrylic faux pearls. It is a triple strand and Klein. So long triple strand necklace. And then we have, this looks like a Monet sister clasp. Some more acrylic faux pearls. Let's see. I'm going to set the earrings over to the side unless I see matches. We have these wooden cutout earrings. These are beautiful. And then there is another pair. And let's see a third pair. And there is that pair. Very lightweight, but they're also a statement earring, which is a good combination to have. These are adorable. Oh my goodness. Look, it's a little stack of books. Enamel books. Love those. And we have some more acrylic faux pearls. It's tangled with something else. Let's see if I can undo it here. I have not gone through and undone any tangles or anything. Okay, this is stuck to something else. Okay, we're going to set it to the side. And we have a silver tone pair of pearls here. Or not pair. Strand of pearls. These feel like ceramic. And it's just got a hook closure. Very pretty. This was the more expensive of the two jars. Or, well, they're in a bag. But I picked them both up because I've not seen them in a while. And hopefully we can break even on these. This will just go in a craft lot. Nothing wrong with it. It's just very lightweight plastic. Oh, there's some more books. How cute. These feel like they're like 3D printed maybe. So cute. Alright. Here is a pair of faux pearl with a green stone pierced earrings. And then we have this beautiful pair. I love that color combination. Oh, pumpkin lattes. Love pumpkin spice season. It's so cute. Here is another. We had a bookworm that donated a bunch of jewelry. Maybe a librarian. Some hearts with like bookshelves on them. Oh, these are super cute. These will be great for fall. Beautiful leaves. And we have an adorable owl with his colorful enamel. He needs a bath. And we have the cat in the hat. These are so cute. I love these. And we have a gold tone chain. checking it for a clasp. It has a spring ring. No, it has some sort of clasp there. And it is I don't know if I'm even on screen, a Monet. Very long gold tone chain. Beautiful crystal. Gorgeous. Love it. It's on a long chain. Love the pendant. Then we have a pair of like rose gold tone heart earrings. Okay, I had to pause the video for a second because my son wanted to interrupt me. And then we have this is like a rose gold and silver tone pair of earrings. I'm not finding anything I want to add to my collection yet, but there are some adorable pieces in here. You have these fabric wrapped bead earrings. They are very long. There are, that ear wire looks really bent. I'll try to bend it back. They may end up in craft. And then we have this is acrylic beads and silver tone. Is that a Chico's or a Chaps? I'm not on the screen. Okay. These are cute. They have makeup on them, but surely they'll clean up. Like little mobiles. And a gold tone bangle here. Oh, the tangles. I really do envy everybody who says it's relaxing to undo tangles. It is so stressful for me. Okay, we have a silver and gold tone pair of hoops. A lot of earrings in this bag. Lighthouse nautical theme necklace. I don't see any marks on these. Beautiful gold tone faux pearl earrings. Beautiful rhinestones, red and clear, and it came off the chain, and I dropped it in the floor. And then there's this like cowhide pendant necklace. And we have an ankle bracelet, and it has wear on it, so that will be in craft. We have a padlock necklace. No marks or signatures. Piece of fashion jewelry. It's lightweight. Let's see. Seem to match to this one. It's a little scarecrow. Super cute. We have another strand of pearls. These are green. Beautiful color. And then we have a memory wire necklace. And it actually has a closure. A lot of times these don't have a closure on them. missing the other one of this. I think these are Avon. I think that little dot on the back means Avon. Something on my hand. But they're very beautiful silver tone faux pearl earrings. Here's another one of those ankle bracelets. This one seems to not have any color loss. I like the little starfish on here. And another one. And another one. Let's see. This one has an owl. This one has an elephant. And then this one has a sea turtle. And then we have another pair of faux pearl earrings, post back dangles. Gold tone with like this light pink enamel earrings. Oh, it's an earring. Thought it was a perfume bottle at first. It is not. It is a post earring. That would have been cool if they were little perfume bottles. And these feel like glass and acrylic. Let's see if there is a clasp. No clasp. And we have a sun. I'm very curious to see the other bag that was less expensive. It feels a lot heavier and half the price. I love these. Like a Aurora lucite or acrylic. Probably about a 2.5 inch hoop. Love those. And then we have this pair of rhinestone gold hoops. I'm just checking to see if there are any stones missing. Do not see any right offhand. And then this is a Premier Designs. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, Premier Designs acrylic faux pearl long strand of necklace. Long strand of necklace. And then we have a little adorable pair of heart earrings. This one I believe says Avon. And it has an extender that I will likely steal off of it and put it on another strand. And it has this tiger's eye cabochon pendant. I believe these are Avon. I love these. Gold tone and white lucite earrings. These are a gold tone like concho earring. And just a gold tone curb chain. Let's see. I don't see any marks on these. Square and CZ probably earrings. There's another pair of Concho. These are silver tone with a little turquoise capuchons in there. They don't feel like sterling. An adorable little butterfly pin, white enamel. Ooh, these are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at those. Beautiful. Likely just purple rhinestones and a faux opal capuchon leatherback earrings. Very beautiful. I love those. And then we have these silver tone dangly earrings. Just a few more left. This is a Bolo style faux pearl gold tone bracelet. Oh, and the floor it went. Okay, silver tone, green and like a peachish color enamel, and a bonus buzz and hair together. Yep, you have both of them. Butterfly earrings. Let's see. I can't see what that says, but a eye. And then a pair of silver tone hoops. And then a maybe Avon chain, little rope chain. And then lastly, we have this opalite necklace. It is double strand barrel clasp. Quite lovely. All right, what were your favorite items in this jar? I'm hoping the other one is better. Hopefully I can break even on this one. If you don't mind, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Bye.